Hi everyone! Welcome to our vlog again. So ngayon magluluto tayo ng beef steak Tagalog. Then Maria, then Marlene. Yeah, so samahan nyo kami, magluto kami.
Early out tomorrow.
Yeah. Ito yung beef na marinate na siya. So papakuloyin natin sa lambot. Dito, pakuloyin natin siya dito. So ayan na siya, maka-prepare na. So itong isang bata, ayan, naglalaro siya ng fountain. Ayan siya. Hi, how are you? Say hi. Teacher Sis is watching to you. Say hi. Hi, Teacher Susie. Ano gagawin ni ate? Ano yan, te?
Oh, may wala doctor. Wala. Bird. Kaya airport. Oh, may that's illegal. Did you handle that illegal? No. It's illegal. Illegal. We have to do it out. It's Tagalog. Then there, you gotta really cook the rice. Wow.
Ang mga seniors, kumakain ng mga senior. Ayan, shala. Hi, sorry. What? So, ayun, dahil tapos na tayong magluto, so, sinundo natin si Mrs. Yan siya ngayon. At kasama na naman po.
Wow, it's a big one. Yeah.
Diba? Nagaya tong si boss na umupo dito. So, ayun, kakain muna tayo ng
Oh, wait.
Yeah, see. This one. Picnic to.
You want some bread?
Wow. Peace. Where is your teeth? Why is only 2 pieces?
You wanna go?
Oo.
Down.
So, ayun. Hindi yan mag-picnic.
Eat first.
Yeah.
That's what you want, meal.
Welcome.
Wow. Good job, babe. Here. Here.
Yeah.
What's that chicken, baby? It's a bread.
But nice.
Butter bread.
Nice. Kailangan kukuha ako ng drink. Kailan ba gusto mo?
Look. Uncle Romeo will get some juice.
Ang mawarte yung ano.
Eat the deal.
It's so yummy.
I was watching on my phone.
Hmm?
I was watching on my phone down.
It's okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. It's yummy.
Yum. It's very yummy.
I have one.
Cheers.
I want chicken, Susie. Two tooths.
Do juice.
Juice. You want juice?
You want a drink?
Yeah, of course.
Para tayo kumakain sa park ah.
Nag-picnic yung pamilya. Hindi ka kita.
Hi.
Hi, hi.
Hi. Let's a shark.
Yeah.
Let's a shark again.
Yeah.
Let's a shark again.
Ay, careful.
Let's a shark again.
Just,
Tsaka sana kami sa loob. Nagaya sila. Sa labas na lang.
Let's a shark.
Nag-picnic yung pamilya. Loko-loko to si boss eh. Yun talaga sa malamig eh.
Let's a shark.
Cheers! Cheers!
cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Yun na si, Stephen Scary.
Going home.
Huh? Yeah, he's going home.
Now, right now?
No. He's looking.
Eat first.
He's looking at the kid.
What kid?
He's looking at the boy.
Look at your face. In the camera. See? Say hi in the camera. So nice. Talaga nag-picnic yung pamilya. Hmm? Picnic?
Yeah, we're doing a picnic.
You know, what is the picnic?
Eating.
Isa lang din. Hmm. Si ano? Si Gongkong.
A honey?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no. I'm gonna give you another one.
Thank you.
Welcome. Mr. John, let's eat.
Family picnic.
Eat. Eat.
Oh, yeah.
Let's eat, Mr. John. It's so cold. I'm
How you doing,
freezing.
Gabe? Doing good?
You want the family picnic?
You want a picnic?
Yeah.
It's potato.
It's okay. I'm gonna give you one more.
Both of them popped?
Yeah.
Because it's so cold.
Are you sure about that, or you just popped them in the wrong area?
Yeah, see? Because it's so cold.
It's so cold.
No, I'm gonna give you. I still have more.
I'm
More
making drama.
balloons. Mr. John.
So many
What do you want
drama.
me to do? Make an animal out of the balloon or
Yeah.
something? Yes. Yeah. How you guys doing? Doing
Very
good?
good.
Yeah. Feel cold.
Babysitting duty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like every time he will cry if he cannot do attendance with me. He's looking, I need to go to Teacher Susie. So he goes to, after checking, okay, I will go now. Okay, bye.
Oh, drink.
Alright, so see you later.
See you soon.
I'm gonna give you. Uncle Romeo has the balloon.
I have a balloon here.
Yes.
Wow.
You do?
Yeah, I will do.
Wow. It's not by you. It's sandwich.
Mm.
A sandwich.
Wow.
A what sandwich?
Mm. Mm.
It's not hard. It's hard to do that.
It's hard. It's hard. So you just eat like this.
Paano kinakain? Sa gitna. Paano yung mangunguya yan?
What are you doing?
Sa gitna niyang hinunguya.
Hindi niya kaya yung tigas nito.
Very hard. Kaya pala iniiwan nyo. Iniiwan niya yung hindi niya kaya. Mm. Ilan langit.
Wala kaming choice.
So, ayan. Patapos na kami kumain. Pabalik na sa White Building.
Are we going back to the white building now?
Tsa.
Huh? We will eat.
So, ayan sila.
Yeah, Tita Baby.
Ang ganda ng ulap.
Your juice.
Yeah.
Yes, nice.